Okay, welcome to the clinicalclassroom.com, or if you're coming to us from Teachers Pay Teachers, welcome to the Clinical Teacher. We'll quickly go over one of our detailed mathematics scopes and sequences. There's a couple options you have when you're purchasing this tool. You can either purchase it as an individual grade. I'm only showing the grade 4 outcomes right here. But obviously whichever grade you purchase it will show it, or you can purchase it as the full scope and sequence, and you'll see that actually has from kindergarten all the way to grade 8. So there's a number of really awesome features this thing has. It specifically aligns the IB mathematical practices, the IB, and you'll see them here, not only giving you the general statements, but also giving you grade-specific information. Gives you a lot of information you can hover over, and it gives you the IB data and details for each of these. So it talks about the standards for mathematical practices. It also gives you the IB phases, the conceptual phases for conceptual understanding. And then it breaks down each of the Common Core outcomes, the Common Core elaboration and the RIT elaboration, broken into the areas of abstraction. We've talked about this with some of our other tools. The 3 levels of abstraction being conceptual understanding, constructing meaning, which is their constructing meaning about mathematics, the conceptual understanding, transferring meaning into symbols, which is the Common Core's procedural skills and fluency, and then, of course, application with understanding. Let's see if I can find one that has that, which is, of course, the latter stage. Here we go. Applying with understanding right here, and there's a few detailed right there. What makes this tool so useful is that it is a full scope and sequence that ties in the IB language, that ties in the IB mathematical practices, that connects the IB very clearly Common Core, but then Common Core is also connected to the RIT elaborations, which are also connected to the levels of abstraction, talking about depths of knowledge. This is a pretty impressive tool. Thoroughly recommend you purchase it. If you're interested in working through big scope and sequences or working across multiple levels, definitely recommend you go with the bigger scope and sequence. And this gives you each and every stage. You'll notice that in these ones, they actually specifically talk about younger years, so you can actually even see what the differences are in the mathematical practices. Very good tool, combining all these features together in all of these areas. Definitely worth the buy. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at theclinicalteacher@gmail.com, or you can contact us through the website. That's theclinicalclassroom.com. Or, of course, you can contact us through Teachers Pay Teachers. That's the Clinical Teacher. Love to hear from you and get your feedback. If you need more videos on how to work through these tools, feel free to send through a request, and I'll do what I can to help. Thanks again for purchasing, and we hope you enjoy the product. Cheers.